Bismillah Ar Rahman Rahim. Okay, last time we read Surah Ar Rahman. Did any one of you prepare it word by word meaning?
Sort of, but might have forgotten now. It's been a while since.
Okay, I think we were here. Yes. Can you start from here right now, word by word meaning?
Can try, inshallah.
Okay.
Which one were we on? This 150?
Yes.
Okay. In then, Kasiratan Atafati. Eyes, lowered eyes.
What is Qasirat?
I'm not sure.
Young girls. Qasirat means young girls.
Young girls.
And
Tarfan.
Modest gaze. Young girls having modest gaze.
Okay. فيه young girls with modest gaze. Not yatma.
Did not touch them.
Not being touched, yeah, by man, qabla before them, and no jinn, and not by jinn.
Neither human nor jinn has touched them before.
Yeah. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان? Which of the favors of your lords will you deny? كأنهن الياقوت والمرجان. They are like rubies and coral.
As if they are like rubies and corals. Okay.
Yeah, rubies and corals. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان? So which of the favors of your Lord will you deny? هل جزاء الإحسان إلا الإحسان? What is the reward for good, but good? فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان? So which of the favors of your Lord will you deny? مدهامتان.
I think we did not read this. We stopped.
Oh, okay, thanks. Alhamdulillah.
Okay, Khatija, recite them also. Recite it.
Okay, inshallah. بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فيهن قاصرات الطرف لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان كأنهن الياقوت والمرجان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان هل جزاء الإحسان إلا الإحسان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ومن دونهما جنتان, and besides both of them, ومن دونهما, and besides both of them, jannatan, there are two gardens. So first we have studied about two gardens. Here we are told that there are two more gardens besides both these two. So now we have total 4 gardens. وَمِن دُونِهِمَا جَنَّتَانِ, and beside both of them there are two gardens. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ, so which blessings of your Lord you both will deny. مُدْهَامَّتَانِ, Mudhamatan means they both are dark green. Shadidatal Khudra, They both are
Ah,
dark green in color. So previous two gardens have a lot of branches, and these two gardens, new ones, are dark green in color. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. So which blessings of your Lord you both will deny? فِيهِمَا عَيْنَانِ نَضَّخَتَانِ. In both of them, فِيهِمَا, in both of them, عَيْنَانِ, two water springs, نَضَّخَتَانِ, gushing forth, نَضَّخَتَانِ, gushing. In both of them there are two gushing water springs. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. So which blessings of your Lord you both will deny? فِيهِمَا فَاكِهَةٌ وَالنَّخْلٌ وَالرُّمَّانُ. So when we have grey color tanween, we don't read tanween, we merge it with the next letter. فَاكِهَةٌ وَنَخْلٌ like this. In both of them there are fruits and date palms and pomegranates. Rumman means pomegranates. So in both of them there are fruits and date palms and pomegranates. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. So which blessings of your Lord you both will deny? فِيهِنَّ خَيْرَاتٌ حِسَانٌ. In them, فِيهِنَّ, in them, khairat. Khairat mean the ladies which have good manners. Khairat mean the ladies which have very good manner. And Hisan mean beautiful faces. In them there are ladies with good manners having beautiful faces. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. So which blessings of your Lord you both will deny? حُورٌ مَقْصُورَاتٌ فِي الْخِيَامِ. Hur mean the one who has dark black lens in eye and along with dark white retina. So Hur mean a lady which has uh, dark black lens along with dark white retina. Maksurat mean the one who stay in the camps, the one who's confined her in the tent, fil khayyam in the tent. Hurun, hur staying in the tents, in the camps, hur staying in the tents, in the camps. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. So which blessings of your Lord you both will deny? لَمْ يَطْمِثْهُنَّ إِنسٌ قَبْلَهُمْ وَلَا جَانٌ. Did not touch them, neither human nor the jinn before. Neither human nor the jinn has touched them before. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. So which blessings of your Lord you both will deny? مُتَّكِئِينَ, reclining. مُتَّكِئِينَ, they are reclining. عَلَى رَفْرَفٍ, on the cushions. خُضْرٍ, green. مُتَّكِئِينَ عَلَى رَفْرَفٍ خُضْرٍ. They are reclining on the green cushions. وَأَبْكَرِيٍّ hisan. Abkari means carpet. Hisan means beautiful. They are reclining on the green cushions and beautiful carpets. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. So which blessings of your Lord you both will deny? تَبَارَكَ اسْمُ رَبِّكَ ذِي الْجَلَالِ وَالْإِكْرَامِ. Blessed is the name of your Lord. You already learned the meaning of Zu, which means having, possessing. So Zil Jalali, having majesty, who is the possessor of majesty, Wal Ikram, and honor, Honor, honor. Blessed is the name of your Lord, who is the honor of majesty and honor. Sadaqallahul Azim. Any question? Any difficult word?
Not at the moment.
Okay. Anyone can recite this? Can anyone recite?
No, you recite nicely.
No,
Or do you want to recite it?
not now.
Okay. Atija, do you want to recite it?
I can try, but I'm not very good.
Okay.
Where were we? Ihsan. ومن بسم الله
Okay, repeat
الرحمن
after me.
الرحيم. Okay.
وَمِن دُونِهِمَا جَنَّتَانِ
ومن دونهما جنتان.
فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. ربكما تكذبان.
مُدْهَامَّتَانِ
مدحامتان.
فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
فِيهِمَا عَيْنَانِ نَضَّاخَتَانِ
فيهما عينان نضاحكان.
in both. Okay. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
فِيهِمَا فَاكِهَةٌ وَالنَّخْلُ وَرُمَّانٌ
فيهما فاكهة ونخل ورمان.
فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
فِيهِنَّ خَيْرَاتٌ حِسَانٌ
فيهن خيرات حسان.
فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
حُورٌ مَقْصُورَاتٌ فِي الْخِيَامِ
حور مقصرات في
مَقْصُورَاتٌ
مقصورات في الخيام.
فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
لَمْ يَطْمِثْهُنَّ إِنسٌ قَبْلَهُمْ وَلَا جَانٌّ
لم يطمثهن إنسان
إِنسٌ
إنسان sorry إنس قبلهم ولا جان.
فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
مُتَّكِئِينَ عَلَى رَفْرَفٍ خُضْرٍ وَأَبْقَرِيٍّ حِسَانٍ
متكئين على رفرف خضر 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 وأبقار حسان.
فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
تبارك اسم ربك ذي الجلال والإكرام
Tabarak kasmu rabbika dhul jalali
الجلال
dhil jalali wal ikram.
صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah khair.
وإياكم. I think we in Hifzul Quran we are on Surah Rahman revision. Am I right?
Yes.
Revise it for the next time.
Okay. We had to memorize up to ayah 16, wasn't it?
Yes. So revise.
Yeah, I haven't done that yet.
Yes. Prepare it for
Inshallah.
the next. Any question?
No.
Okay. Ma'as-salama.
مع
Ma
السلامة
salama.
جزاكم الله خيرا
وإياكم.
Jazakallah khair.